Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Beelinguapp detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Beelinguapp and hit enter. Look for the official Beelinguapp website in the search results. Click on the link to the official site to access the homepage. Once on the homepage, locate the Get Started button, usually found at the top or center of the page. Click the Get Started button to proceed to the registration page. You will see options to register using an email, Google account, or Facebook account. Choose your preferred registration method. If you select email, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password and type it into the password field. Confirm the password by entering it again in the confirmation box. After filling out your details, look for the Sign Up button and click it. If you choose to register with a Google or Facebook account, select that option and follow the prompts. You may need to grant permissions for Beelinguapp to access your account information. Once your registration is successful, you will receive a confirmation message. Check your email inbox if you registered with an email. Look for a verification email from Beelinguapp. Click the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. After verifying your email, return to the Beelinguapp website. Log in using your email address and password or your social media credentials. Congratulations, you are now registered and logged into Beelinguapp. Explore the app features and start your language learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.